Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So I wanted to touch down a little bit about Bitcoin and what potentially Bitcoin is going to do moving on forward. So today's 4th of April and there are 12 more days left for one of the biggest event and probably the best thing that happened in crypto, and that is Bitcoin halving in size. Bitcoin dropping 50% in the supply. So that's a very good thing. And actually, when supply drops down and you have the rise of the demand, that's what really pushes the prices to the upside. The question really is, does Bitcoin have demand right now? Well, you can really bet that Bitcoin is popular. It's the most popular kid at the high school right now. Okay, people love Bitcoin. All the hot women love Bitcoin. All the men out there love Bitcoin. So yes, there is a demand for Bitcoin, at least for now. I don't know in the future if it's going to remain or not. So thing is, maybe Bitcoin wants to move down before the halving because that's the history of Bitcoin. And if it does actually go down, if you see Bitcoin moving down, the average that Bitcoin drops to the downside is 25%. So from the top here, which is nearly $74,000, if we measure a 24% move down, then that could actually be a $55,000, right? Maybe $55,000, and then after that, climb back to the upside and move and continue the bull run. Now, the bull run also does not start as soon as you fall to the downside. And actually, what I mean to say is, if Bitcoin does drop, it may stay down for a month or 1.5 months of a boring consolidation sideways movement, because I'm telling you this based on history, because whenever Bitcoin did a pre-halving dump and stayed to the downside, it normally consolidates for 2 to 3 months before going for that massive euphoria kind of a bull run and surprise everyone else. But before we see Bitcoin dropping down, maybe this is the lowest Bitcoin wants to go down to, because yesterday you did print a reversal candle. So one red and one green actually means reversal back to the upside. So we might even see that, we might say this is the end of the correction. This could be the end of the correction. Perhaps it is. You never know. So it is going to be safe to say that if Bitcoin comes and loses $59,000, go below $59,000, then I think it can actually touch 55, and then from there we're going to see. Popular opinion about this consolidation for Bitcoin as well can be that maybe Bitcoin is interested to put in this support right there, and if it does actually put another resistance over here, then do expect Bitcoin to print a pennant. And if you're looking for a move up like this, consolidation like that, you might actually break above and move to a technical target, which may be from this place to that place. We could actually see Bitcoin pushing all the way up to even $100,000 and completing, uh, you know, the purpose of of the thumbnail of the video, because it's a journey to 100K. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love.